Alright folks, I ordered the Freedom Performance sharp curve radius exhaust for my 09 Kawasaki Vulcan. I've been looking around to see if there was anything on YouTube and specific to help me out with the installation. Never done anything like this before, so I'm basically just going off their directions. If this video works out, I plan on posting it on YouTube, so I hope it works out. But first step is just start removing the nuts and bolts to the factory exhaust. So everything looks pretty standard with like a 12mm. So I guess best thing I can do is get started. Starting basically by taking off the nuts to the rear canister. There's two of them located on the top side here. It's located here. I'm supposed to take these off. stock exhaust. So we'll finish making sure everything is loose like it's supposed to be, and get down here so I can get to what I need to get to here. According to the directions, this should be it as far as removal goes. So, I believe that's it as far as taking it off. This is the stock exhaust. I've retained the clips or the acorn nuts so that I can put them back on the new exhaust. Before I forget, I need to remove the stock bracket before I forget. Which would be these 4 bolts here. This is for the top and this is for the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and remove those because the new exhaust system comes with a new bracket. So, but I'm going to take all 4 of these off, and I'm going to keep these 2 bolts to reuse for the new exhaust. So remove these. Most of this stuff looks like it's roughly 12 millimeters so far. I really haven't had to change anything, but it does look like these 2 bottom ones are a little bit bigger than the 12, so I'm thinking they're probably a 13 or 14 millimeter. Yeah, they got to be a 13 or 14 millimeters. So I just have these 2 left to take off, and then start putting on the new exhaust system. So.